Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung, and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let me show you the first code, which is probably the most known and also the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar info. It is *##, 225 ###. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here you will be able to check all the events which are saved, for example, on your account or on your device. As you can see, I actually do not have events because I did not save anything. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular section. You will be able to check some family events, holidays in your country also, or events attached to your mail. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426 *###. And as I said, we are in a diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signal level. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. What's more, we can tap on this three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and after tapping on the status again, you will be able to check more info, just like heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let's get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636 *###. And here we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone info and battery info, also usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let me begin with phone info, and as you can see here, you can check, for example, the IMEI, current network, cell info, network type, call, redirect, and so on and so on. Here you can also run ping test, and here you've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dial-in numbers. Let me get back and let's check the battery information. Let's tap on it. And here you can check actually all battery info, like the status, power plug, so if you've plugged the cable, the battery scale, voltage, temperature, or the technology. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics also, and here you've got actually all apps and processes which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time, so for example you can check that I've been using the settings for almost 2 minutes. So you can change, of course, the sorting type by usage time, last time used, or app name. So obviously after tapping, for example, on app name, all of the apps and processes will be set alphabetically. Let's get back, and for the last, let's check Wi-Fi information. We've got API configuration or the status. So let me pick the status. Let's refresh the stats, and here you can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. What's more, you can run ping test here also. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.